How to change Facebook name without waiting for 60 days. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon. As you do that, you can see the option of see more in account center, so tap on it. Then tap on your profiles option over here and all you have to do is tap on your profile. Then tap on the name option that is available over here, and as you do that, here you can see the notification or the pop-up that if you change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. But we want to change it. So what we're going to do is tap on the Learn More option. As we tap on Learn More, it will land us to a new page where you can see different options and instructions on how we can change our names. So just scroll down and all you have to do is tap on the option of how to change your name on Facebook. So just tap on the arrow down button and then scroll down and then tap on this Let Us Know option. As you do that, it will land you to a new page where you can change your name, but you need to mention your new first name, your middle name, which is optional, and then your new last name. After that, scroll down and you have to present a document over here, which is a valid document to change your name before 60 days. So you just have to choose your file, that may be driving license or any of the national identity card or so on, and then tap on contact email and provide an email that you have access to, and then tap on send, and you'll be able to change your name before 60 days, and you don't have to wait until 60 days. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.